Let's begin the negative adverb. Let's go over an versus 못. Okay, so an, it means do not, and 못, it means cannot. And they are adverb, so you place it right before the verb. Okay, so let's go over some simple examples together. Do not, and then cannot. And we can just go over some verb. 가요, to go. 먹어요. And if you want to say I don't go, I don't eat, then you just place an right before the verb. 안 가요 or 안 먹어요. But if you cannot go or you cannot eat, then it will be 못. 못 가요. 못 먹어요. Okay. So let's think about the context. So if you are not able to go someone's birthday party due to your busy schedule, then you would say 못 가요, right? Because 안 가요 would be like, I choose not to go because I don't want to go. But 못 가요 is like, I can't go, I'm unable to go, okay? Same thing, if you have an allergy on some food and you can't eat, I'm unable to eat that. Therefore, we say 못 먹어요 rather than 안 먹어요, because 안 먹어요 is I choose not to eat because I'm on diet, Okay? So always think 못 is more of cannot, unable to. And an is my choice. I choose to not go, I choose to not eat. Alright? Next example. This time I'm gonna use 하다 verbs with noun. Noun, 하다, then noun, 안 하다, and noun, 못 하다. So for instance, noun 하다, like 전화하다, to call. So any 하다 verb like 전화하다 or 일하다 or like 공부하다. So all these 하다 verb, when you want to say cannot or do not, you would have to split noun and 하다. And then you place 안 or 못 between those two. So like 전화하다, if you want to say I don't call, do not call, then you would say 전화 안 하다. Or you're unable to call, you cannot call, then 전화 못 하다, right? And same thing, 일 안 하다, 일 못 하다, 공부 안 하다, 공부 못 하다, right? So let's say if you were not able to work because you were sick, then which one is it?
일 못하다.
Right. That's right. So if you're unable to work, right, due to your sickness, because you were sick, I was unable to work, then you say 일 못, and then change that to past tense, 일 못했어요, right? And if you just choose to not work on Wednesday, then that's 일 안 했어, right? Good. Okay. Let's just go over some example dialogue. Okay, so first sentence. Steve, why didn't you come to the party? Steve, why didn't you come to the party? So we say Steve with C to be polite. Why would be 왜. Party. And it's a location. So we have 파티에. And didn't you come, right? Why didn't you come? So it'll be 안. And then 오다 past tense. 왔어. And then to be polite, 요 ending. So 스티브 씨 왜 파티에 안 왔어요? So the person who's asking this to Steve obviously don't know if he was unable to come or choose not to come, right? So you can ask 안 왔어요. If you wanna have intention of asking why were you not able to come, you can say 못 왔어요. That's fine. Okay, so 스티브 씨 왜 파티에 안 왔어요? Why didn't you come to the party, Steve? And then Steve is saying, I was busy and so I could not go. So this means I was unable to go. I was unable to go because I was busy, right? So we should say 못. So I was busy. So past tense of busy, 바쁘다, 바빴. And then we wanna be polite, 바빴어요. So that would be 그래서 I could not go, unable to go, 못. And then past of 가다, 갔어요. 바빴어요. I was busy. 그래서 so 못 unable to 갔어요. I couldn't go. I was unable to go. Past tense of 가다. Not too hard, right? Good. And now here we're gonna add some descriptive verbs. Adjective. Okay, so first one. To be loud. 시끄럽다. 시끄럽다, to be loud. And this is build irregular. Just like 맵다 or 춥다. Remember all those build irregular? So ending is same. It becomes 시끄러워. 시끄러워 would be the basic of 시끄럽다, to be loud. So if you want to say to your friend, oh, you're so loud. You can say, you can be implied, okay? So you just say, oh, 시끄러워. You're loud. So that's casual, by the way. Okay, next adjective. To be quiet. 조용하다. It is a 하다 verb. Basic, easy, 조용해. And the sentence we can work on. It's very quiet here. It's very quiet here. So here is 여기. 여기가. Here would be the subject. 여기가 very, 아주. Or you can pick any other very. 정말, 진짜, 너무, 매우. 아주 조용해요. 여기가 아주 조용해요. It's very quiet here. 여기가 아주 조용해. Casual. And going back to the previous example. Oh, you're loud. Be quiet. To your friend. You can say 시끄러워. 조용해. Okay, so next one. To be long. 길다. Basic. 길어. The sentence we can use is, my friend's hair is long. My friend's hair is long. So this one, I'm gonna say my friend, literally. So, 제 friend, 친구의 머리. 친구의 머리, friend's hair is long. So friend's hair is the subject. 가, 길어요. long. 제 친구의 머리가 길어요. Question?
Can you use this for like to say it's a long time or just for like the length of a specific object?
Yes, you can with time. Yes. Like for instance, the class is long, right? Let's say the Korean class is long. Then we can say 한국어 수업이 길어요. Right. Good question. Alright, next adjective. Let's do to be short. Opposite. It'll be 짧다. 짧, 리을, 비읍, double, final consonant. 짧다. Basic, 짧아. So 비읍 sound shift to next syllable, therefore 짧아. When you say in basic form. 짧다, 짧아. Sentence. This movie is too short. This movie, 이 영화. And we can say as for this movie. So using topic particle, 이 영화는 very short. Too short. 너무 짧아. Casual. 이 영화는 너무 짧아. 이 영화는 너무 짧아. Okay. Next. To be different. 다르다. Basic. 달라. The sentence. English is different from the Korean language. So the subject is English, right? So 영어가 So English is different from Korean language. The particle you're using with Korean language here will be the particle that you would use and or with. The 영어가 한국어와 I'm gonna use a formal written, then we use 와. Different. 달라요. 영어가 한국어와 달라요. So English is different from Korean. Women and men are different. Women and men are different. Same thing, we're gonna use the and particle. So 여자, woman, 여자랑 남자가 달라요. 여자랑 남자가 달라요. Women and men are different. Do one more. It's different than this. It's different than this. This one. We can say 이것. 이것하고 different. 달라요. It's different than this one. To be the same, 같다. Basic, 같아. Notice the pronunciation, I sound shift the tiot, 같아. 같아요. Okay. My car and my friend's car are the same. Okay, so my car, 제 차, and my friend's car. 제 차랑 my friend, 제 친구의 and then car, 차가 or 차는 I'll use 차는 같아요. My car and my friend's car are same. Okay, so have fun. I will see you guys 2 weeks. 안녕.